The Storm Tracker Skycam Network, brought to you by Linco Precision Ag Technology Solutions. Now, your local weather authority forecast from Chief Meteorologist Chris Yates.
Welcome back. Very heavy rain continues to fall out in the Twin Cities. There's the view on our Osling and Abbott Twin Cities camera, looking back to the west and northwest there. We've picked up about 1 to 3 inches of rain in Bloomington normal, but a whole lot more has fallen just south of town there. Heavy rain extending back through Peoria, Washington, and now pushing into Woodford and Marshall counties. But meanwhile, the focus for tonight at least has and will continue to be the heavy rain that is continuing to fall back here in McLean County. So out towards Bloomington, very heavy rain falling. We do have that flash flood warning that is in effect until 2:45 a.m., but very heavy downpours now in Bloomington. Hayworth also picking up some heavy rain, moving out towards Leroy. Earlier today, we had a tornado warning issued near Downs, where we had a possible tornado. We did see a very faint signature that may have been debris. It wasn't quite as strong as we typically see, but it was a good indication that we may have had something touch the ground there, at least very briefly. But now the focus is continuing to be on this heavy rain threat, and again further back to the west we've got those thunderstorms extending back through Peoria. All right, let's talk about some of this heavy rain that has been falling across mainly McLean, Tazewell, and Logan counties. Flash flood warning is in effect until 2:45 for most of the area, but that warning has also been extended further east until 4 a.m. to include eastern parts of McLean County. We zoom in here, you can see some of the estimated rainfall totals. The Twin Cities quickly getting up closer to that 3-inch mark, 4.5 inches in Downs. How about Hayworth? Over 5. Over 5 inches set just immediately south of Bloomington. Funks Grove 4.7, and out in McLean we likely are seeing close to 4.5 inches of rain there. We will now take the radar and let's get some estimates on rainfall amounts further to the west across Tazewell County. Minear 3.9, 4.6 in Armington, Hopedale 3.1, Delavan. We did get quarter-sized hail reported there earlier from some viewers. 2.1 inches of rain estimated. Emden 3.5. San Jose now approaching the 2-inch mark. Obviously here in Peoria we have been spared from some of that heavier rain, but this is turning into a significant situation for McLean County, and unfortunately there's more rain on the way. Flash flood watch. This is going to continue. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning is when this flash flood watch will expire. Severe thunderstorm watch continues until 11 p.m. tomorrow for areas, tonight for areas shaded in pink. The good news is I think the risk of damaging winds, tornadoes, and hail at this point is come down quite a bit. I think we're going to be okay as far as that is concerned, but most of our focus is going to continue to be on the ongoing flash flood threat. Heavy rain, stronger storms are going to continue to track gradually off to the east and southeast, but we'll still see that heavy rain impacting areas that have already been hit today with some of the severe storms earlier. More thunderstorms back to the west. A lot of this is going to track to our west, but we will see more thunderstorms developing across central Illinois tomorrow. So why are we getting all this rain? You look at the jet stream, big old swoop in the jet stream up there. That is that trough that has been driving a lot of this. The problem is we also have a lot of tropical moisture in place. That is this dark red and orange color that you're seeing here. So all that tropical moisture is not going anywhere. This trough is not moving either. And you get these small systems riding this trough, this upper level pattern, and every time it comes through, it kicks off another round of thunderstorms. But instead of your gentle garden variety storm, this is a tropical air mass, and it is just dropping inch upon inch of rainfall. So as we go through tonight, the storm chances are going to continue. Very heavy rain will continue in the areas that have been hardest hit. Lighter storm coverage, less rainfall as you head further to the west. By midnight, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, we're going to see that steadier rain shifting off to the east. We may still be dealing with some thunderstorms, though, along Interstate 74 tomorrow morning. Lows tonight down into the low 70s across the board. We'll keep an eye on the thunderstorm potential for tomorrow. Still some questions with when and where the greatest potential for severe weather will be. But thunderstorms that redevelop in the afternoon may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and perhaps a tornado or two. I think the risk of that is going to be highest along and east of the Illinois River for tomorrow, though the entire area is within a marginal risk, level 1 threat for severe thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and evening. Highs back into the 80s. Here's that extended forecast. The steadiest, heaviest rain will fall through Saturday, but daily storm chances will linger into next week and throughout next week with highs mainly in the 80s. We'll be back.